My family always said I was the bad child, throwing me away into the background. All my life been putting on a fake smile.